Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The September 30, 2023 price comparison for the three major cryptocurrencies, BTC, ETH, and BNB, has increased by 0.22%, 0.23%, and 0.21% respectively, compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Vitalik Buterin proposes minimal viable enshrinement for Ethereum. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed a middle ground approach to enshrining features within the Ethereum protocol, called minimal viable enshrinement. The approach involves enshrining specific functionalities to simplify implementation without imposing strict constraints. Buterin also suggests de-enshrinement may be necessary for rarely used features, ensuring backward compatibility and a lighter protocol. He is discussing challenges in verifying Ethereum-like blocks within ZK and ARKs and whether the protocol can introduce verify EVM execution in ZK as a protocol feature. Bitcoin bulls lose grip as September close looms. BTC sellers eye 27.5K. Bitcoin has flipped bearish in September, with the monthly gain registering around 4%, but the third quarter, Q3, showing a more than 10% depreciation. Despite this, the currency has marked its strongest performance in September since 2016, according to monitoring resource CoinGlass. However, the Q3 report is not as rosy, with an 10.5% depreciation of the BTC-USD pair. Speculation is on whether the positive September trend will continue, with Trader Gel optimistically forecasting improved conditions for the Q4. Meanwhile, commentary from experts warns of potential pitfalls in the market, with the upcoming U.S. government shutdown. The BTC spot price may react to Bitcoin futures opening and closing prices by the CME Group, another occurrence in the crypto marketplace. Bitwise set to launch Ethereum ETF on October 2, marking expansion in crypto derivatives market. Bitwise Asset Management will launch 2 Ether futures ETFs, which will begin trading October 2. The company is expanding access to Ethereum futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Bitwise CEO highlighted Ethereum's broader portfolio opportunities compared to Bitcoin, and investors recognize it as an alternative or growth investment. Other asset management companies, including BlackRock, Invesco, and Valkyrie, are also waiting for SEC approval for spot Bitcoin ETFs. James Seyffart confirmed 9 Ethereum futures ETFs are lined up for expedited approval from the SEC, which will commence trading October 2, 2023. This signifies growing interest in the Ethereum ETF race. Binance Market Update 2023年9月30日 Ball cryptocurrency market cap has increased to 1.08T, up by 12.30% over the last day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has been trading between $26,665 and $10,114 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are mixed, with market outperformers including PROS, PNT, and TRB, up by 22%, 18%, and 15%, respectively. Chainlink CCIP now live on BNB chain, offering unprecedented cross-chain application potential. Three Arrows Capital co-founder Zhu Su is arrested and sentenced to 4 months jail in Singapore. FTX attacker moves 2,500 ETH, holds over 180,000 ETH across multiple addresses. Saudi Arabia leads in year-on-year cryptocurrency trading growth. Bitcoin sellers eye 27.5K. Bitwise set to launch Ethereum ETF on October 2. Marking expansion in crypto derivatives market. BlockFi set to emerge from bankruptcy after creditors approve restructuring plan. SBI holding and TradeFinex partner to drive trade finance adoption of XTC network in Japan. Terraform Labs co-founder dismisses leaked Slack messages as irrelevant in SEC case. CFTC charges Mosaic and its founder over fraudulent digital asset scheme. Market movers, F. 1677.37美元，正 0.27%。BNB 215美元，负 0.42%。XRP 0.5172美元，正 1.47%。ADA 0.2514美元，负 0.12%。Doge 0.06199美元，正 0.49%。Sol 20.33美元，正 0.79%。TRX 0.08869美元，正 0.00%。DAUT 4.089美元，正 0.02%。Matic 0.5287美元，正 1.28%。LTC 65.91美元，正 0.18%。Top gainers on Binance Pros BUSD 正 22%。PNT BUSD 正 18%。TRB BUSD 正 12%。FTX attacker moves 2,500 ETH, holds over 180,000 ETH across multiple addresses. The FTX attack digital saga continues with the attacker transferring another 2,500 ETH, this time citing data from Looms. The transaction occurred on September 30th, and the attacker now holds a total of 8,035 across the 3 addresses, valued at approximately 3.4 million at current exchange rates. This situation commands heightened public attention as industry stakeholders track these fund movements, likely to impact Ethereum price dynamics and potentially signal further implications on the FTX platform and its users. FTX attacker transfers 700 ETH to BTC network following major Ethereum transaction. PeckShield Alert has confirmed that the FTX attacker has made significant moves within their cryptocurrency pool, with about 700 ETH, worth approximately 1.16 million, being breached to the BTC network and transferred to an address with the prefix BC1Q. This conversion raises further questions about the nature of the FTX breach and the attacker's motives. The attacker was previously associated with a previously utilized address, where they had transferred 2,500 ETH, worth approximately 4.1 million. With the newest transactions, the residual Ethereum holdings in this address amount to 12,500 ETH. The blockchain and cryptocurrency community is continuously monitoring the attacker's transactions to uncover more details about this sustained digital heist. Ether, tied to last year's FTX hack, begins to move, stirs concerns in crypto market. CoinDesk reports that approximately 2,500 Ether, F, associated with the FTX exchange hack in November 2022, has been moved. The funds were split into several transactions, with around 700 ETH transferred using the 4-chain router, about 1,200 ETH moved via the Railgun privacy tool, and another 550 ETH situated in an intermediary wallet. The original wallet still holds a significant amount of 12,500 ETH, worth approximately 21 million at current rates. The funds were associated with the FTX hack that led to the bankruptcy of the crypto empire and the departure of its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried. Bankman-Fried is currently facing fraud and conspiracy charges in the US, and former executives from FTX and Alameda Research who have pleaded guilty are expected to testify against him in the upcoming trial. Saudi Arabia leads in year-on-year cryptocurrency trading growth. Saudi Arabia experiences year-on-year growth in cryptocurrency trading, as the Middle East and North Africa region ranks as the 6th largest crypto economy in the 2023 Cryptocurrency Geography Report. The region's on-chain transaction value was approximately 380.8 billion, accounting for nearly 7.2% of global trading volume. Bankman-Fried's defense lawyer challenges U.S. government's proposed jury questions, citing perceived bias. Sam Bankman-Fried's lawyer is concerned about the proposed jury questions for his upcoming fraud trial, which is set to begin on October 3. The lawyer argues that the questions risk igniting prejudice and could skew the trial's fairness against his client. The government has outlined potential jury questions related to pretrial publicity, effective altruism, philosophical paradigm, political contributions, lobbying, and ADHD. Jury selection is set to start on October 3, with 15 full trial sessions occurring in October and another 6 scheduled in November. Bankman-Fried is currently under detainment at the Metropolitan Detention Center, and the judge has constantly denied his repeated temporary release requests for trial preparation. Circle issues 800 million USDC and redeems 1.1 billion USDC in a week. Circle, a blockchain-based financial services company, has issued and redeemed approximately 800 million USDC and 1.1 billion USDC between September 21 and September 28. This has resulted in a decrease of nearly 300 million USDC in circulation. As of September 28, there were 21.5 billion USDC in circulation, with a reserve fund of 25.6 billion US dollars. LooksRare updates token economy model, allocating future fees for token buybacks and rewards. NFT marketplace LooksRare has announced an update to its token economy model. In the new model, 50% of future fees will be used to buy back Looks tokens from the market, 10% will be allocated as rewards for the LooksRare protocol, and the remaining 40% will be transferred to the protocol treasury. Starting October 1 at 10 a.m. Beijing time, the generated fees will be added to the protocol rewards, and the previous transaction reward mechanism will end simultaneously. The tokens originally used for transaction rewards will now be utilized as incentives for future products and plans. BlockFi set to emerge from bankruptcy after creditors approve restructuring plan. BlockFi, a cryptocurrency lender, may finalize its restructuring plan pending bankruptcy judges' approval. The company has confirmed that its creditors have sanctioned the strategy, which removes one of the last obstacles in the ongoing process to conclude the firm's business operations and reimburse its clients. The company is expected to retrieve assets it squandered to crypto exchange FTX and insolvent hedge fund, Three Arrows Capital. Customers holding funds in BlockFi interest accounts or retail loans could anticipate retrieving their funds in the succeeding months, and the company will persistently distribute funds to BlockFi wallet clients. Bankman-Fried's defense team claims DOJ's proposed Juror questions could bias trial. Sam Bankman-Fried's defense team claims that proposed Juror questions by the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, could potentially bias the jury against him. The DOJ's proposed questions hamper complete transparency from potential jurors and risk prejudicing the jury by presenting allegations in a potentially biased manner. The defense also points out specific issues, such as omitting the term allegedly when referring to crimes Bankman-Fried is accused of, which could insinuate his fraudulent actions are confirmed. The defense had no objections to the judge granting immunity to two unnamed witnesses in a separate filing.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.